That they've done well. Just milk the singles. If you're not getting a 4, and you've got to be careful against Usman Tariq because he's the potential match winner for Pakistan. So you've got to take calculated risk. Make sure that he bowls a bad one. The first over considered 13, the most by him in this World Cup. So really a bad start from that point of view. So a little bit of pressure on Usman Tariq. Could they get another man in the circle? Because the singles are leaking, and that means not only pressure but rhythm to the innings as well.
Yeah, absolutely, the momentum as well. But what's more valuable is in the boundary or the single at this stage. Perhaps if they get a couple more wickets, they could add more pressure. They're searching now to see one more here. They'll try to squeeze Sri Lanka after that, but it's really about bowling the side out for Pakistan now.
It is. But I think they're just waiting and hoping that they get another wicket. Maybe they can then put extra pressure, maybe get extra fielder in. And right now, the batter just came out.
Saw the change of line, changed to a conventional sweep and just got some bat on it. Incredible adjustment from the batter. No chance for the wicket keeper. I think Usman Tariq is struggling with the dew and the flatness of the wicket. He's not getting any purchase.
Most of the dew, it is difficult, especially.
Olivia hair color. You look new pack. Olivia, shukriya.
Brighter Women's Collection.
ये ऑफर है हिट क्योंकि एक ऑफर में पूरा ग्रुप फिट. Abrar starts his fourth. He's been good, really good, but on a day they needed Usman Tariq at his best, still haven't got it. Wicket with Abrar bowling out. Where do you go, Waqar?
What Pakistan need to do is to burn all their resources in search of wickets. And if it is that Usman need to bowl, Abrar need to bowl, they need to break this partnership. You know, small partnerships will damage Pakistan. They need to keep taking wickets and had a bit of luck also. So far what I've seen in the field, Pakistan's been very, very lethargic. They've been on their heels, there are few opportunities have come their way and they didn't grasp them. They have to really be on their toes. This is where Pakistan get to semi-final.
India, that's it. Mohammad Ratnaka goes across the stumps, slaps it. What a shot by Pawan Ratnaka. Walks across the stump, takes it onto his body, slaps it over, square leg. That's a fantastic shot.
Hits it hard, isn't it? He opens the blade the last second and then gets under the ball. He's a powerful individual, Ratnaka, 29 of 19. He's got such good hands, quick hands, stays low, watches the ball till the end, cracks it a punch. Couple more deliveries, Abrar.
Out.
Nicely bowled. Hung it out there, didn't he? Very slow through the air. Abrar has bowled extraordinarily well.
especially with the wet conditions, wet ball.
Yeah, the towels are out. Bowlers, fielders working the seam, trying to keep it dry. Last ball, bowled! That was bowled so slow. Kamindu Mendes was trying to hit it to the bowler.
Well, whenever the small partnership builds up, Abrar comes in and does give Pakistan a little hope. This one maybe just keeping a little low also, but there was nothing on that delivery. It was so slow. Look at how quickly the bat gone through and the ball didn't arrive. And that was the final delivery of Abrar's spell, picking up 3 for 23. What a spell under pressure.
एक ग्लो का राज है लक्स। ब्राइटनिंग विटामिन सी और नरिशिंग विटामिन ई के साथ जो दाग का कम करेंगे और दे सीरम जैसा ग्लो। लक्स।
ये अगर 160 का आ जाता है
Brighter Women's Collection.
Bright ingredients, bright treatment, 100%. तो करें Dandruff का soft update with Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Confidence 100%.
Two right-handers in, why not bring the left-arm spinner on?
Russ, dew has just come in the last half an hour. It wasn't that bad maybe 45 minutes ago. It was pretty dry and the spell from Abrar was just wonderful. Ball was not that bad, but suddenly you see those leaves though, you see them, the water standing on it, so the ball will get damp and will become easy to bat on.
Clever bowler Mohammad Nawaz, make it hard to score.
You take a look at the wicket. It was so slow. Kamindu wanted to hit it to the grass banks. Spinners were always going to be the challenge in the order.
हमारे 9 ओवरों में कर दिए थे
All three batters bowled, three left-handers. Abrar be short of mid-wicket.
One thing really good about Ratanaike, he doesn't hit up, he doesn't really look to hit 6. That's the last wicket from Abrar ball. Really slow off the surface and maybe just kept a touch low.
52 runs is what Pakistan have left to play with to stay in the competition. To make a semi-final, we'll make that 48. That was a peach of a delivery, but it's gone for 4. Bit of luck for Sri Lanka.
Yeah, the amount of spin we've seen from Nawaz, I don't mind putting another slip in. He's a new batsman in Lian Nagai. He's playing for the first time, so just put your fielders in a catching positions. Yeah, edge, painful edge for Pakistan.
Angle so good from Nawaz. No slip, Waqar, no slip. Gonna be about wickets. Pick up those wickets. 100 on the board for Sri Lanka.
Pakistan's got only 47 runs to play with. They need wickets if they are to win this game.
Well, at this stage, they need Ratanaike's wicket. He is the one who's becoming very dangerous for Pakistan. Run rate required for Sri Lanka to win this game is over 13, almost 14 actually. But Pakistan have got not much left. They have to pick up wickets.
Yeah, two different targets for these two teams in this game. Oh, that's number 5. He's Mr. Straight One, Johnny Clean again.
I think he was expecting the ball to spin like previously. This one came in with the arm and he was late. He was very late and was looking to play with the angle bat. Ball didn't spin that much. It was straight above and hitting the timber. Again, a little bit of hope for Pakistan. Nawaz picking up his first wicket in his first over.
Holland's Premaline No Frost Refrigerator range with a convertible zone. Switch temperatures from -20 degrees to 5 degrees with a simple touch. Dollars Premaline, designed for better.
इस मोमेंट को अपना बनाओ ज़ेन में आओ।
अब कुछ कर ले। Let's get cool.
Right Rollins collection.
तारिक
There's a
आउट कर दे
win for Usman Tariq.
150 तक निकालते थे।
Will they come for 2? No, they don't. Well, we got a different point of view. Let's hear from Mark Howard.
Well, certainly different point of view. Welcome to Pallakeli. So this is the heart and soul of Sri Lankan cricket. Don't hump the back. So people were talking about whether the Sri Lankan audience
47 ballers से 100 लड़ चाहिए हारेगा
a couple of losses. Well, this shows you, if you have a look around, all the Pakistani fans are here, the Sri Lankan fans are here, no New Zealand fans, because this is actually a game in 2. So they are absolutely packed in here as Tariq comes into the
अच्छा
ball.
आज जो मैच चल रहा है बुलाने वाले
They can't score. In fact, they come through for a single. So this is the heart and soul of Sri Lankan cricket. They're packed in, they're hoping for a win.
46 बॉलों पे
Pakistan have got
टर्न चाहिए
43 runs to play with, and amongst all this, on the other
एक
side
रन
of
भी
the
ना
ball, New Zealand are tuning in.
30 मारेंगे
Brilliant down here,
और हम
absolutely
जीत
brilliant.
जाएंगे सेमीफाइनल के लिए
Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd here. They're packed in. They want to see a miracle. Or it's Tariq with ball in hand again amongst the crowd. It's full. Pushed away to the offside. It'll just be a single. I might settle in here for the rest of the night. We'll go back up to the commentary box. But this is the passion of Sri Lankan cricket.
Sounds about right. Howie, you stay down there. We'll try and catch up with you after the game to take you back to the hotel. 43 then, Usman Tariq, better over from him. Got that fine, there'll be a couple. Lanka's batting to come, Wellal again, Tikshana, Chamira and Madhushankar. Got long levers, Dasun Shanaka, most number of sixes hit by a Sri Lankan.
Sri Lankan batters have played Usman Tariq really well. They've been very calm against him, they're reading him well. Yeah, he's happy to rock back on the back foot, Shanaka, and play from the crease rather than coming out. He likes the batters to attack him and then he can play with his tricks. At the moment, they don't need to take that risk.
Nicely bowled, 13 for gone, 106 for 5.
हारेगा हम जीत नहीं 65 रन से मतलब क्या बात है
Sid के साथ feel a splash of water.
तो होप करो
Ocean at 7. Watch us move.
अब कुछ कर ले
Must move bottom. I use Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Tea tree. Augment oils. Correct. Dandruff का software. Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo.
फिर हो जाए स्विंग का सुल्तान वर्सेस किचन का गेम।
Ocean at 7. Watch us move.
Required rate above 15. We are talking about Sri Lanka's target.
ये हालेगा यार दुआ करें ऊपर करें हाथ नहीं
It's the one. Going across the grass.
Turns a little bit for Janit Lianage. That was a cracker of a delivery by Nawaz. Sri Lanka's asking rate is above 15 and they need to make a move on if they want to win. And on the other hand, New Zealand will be hoping and praying that Sri Lanka will get above 147.
Yep, 40 required. New Zealand to qualify. There's a slip in place for the new batter.
Apart from the first inning, Fakhars and Sahibzada France knocked that partnership of 176. Pakistan have made so many mistakes. They couldn't really get to the total they were looking for. They're probably 15 to 20 runs short where they should have been after that partnership. But then after that, dropping that catch, then of course run-out opportunities. So many opportunities came and then they allowed them in.
49 in the last 5 overs. That's what Pakistan made. 34 runs. And they lost 8 wickets. That's where you're talking about. The
39 will make the damage.
Another 20-25 runs would have made Pakistan would have 172 to play with.
Yeah, those last 5 overs hurting Pakistan. Pakistan could have easily got to 230, maybe even more.
That's 6.
Too short. It was in the arms. Shanaka likes it there. There was a freebie. With the slip standing there, you cannot pull that length. That was way too short and ample time to put it away. Shanaka. Beautiful hit.
No, you really don't want Shanaka. Find his rhythm and find a little bit of confidence. Pakistani point of view. 32 now. Pakistan have to play with.
यार
Pakistan spinners have done really well. They've maintained the ball,
सही डर लग रहा है कि
especially when the spinners are operating. You need the ball dry, which they've done really well.
5 bowlers used. No Shadab Khan. Tariq has 1. Abraz bowled out. Where would you go, Waqar?
मैं तो दुआ कर रहा हूँ
Shadab now. I think it's time Shadab should come and see what he's got.
4 hit well. Pawan Ratnayaka gives himself room and carves it through the offside. 120 for 5 at the end of.
मेरे ग्लूकोराज है लक्स ब्राइटनिंग विटामिन सी और नरिशिंग विटामिन ई के साथ जो दांत धब्बे कम करे और दे सीरम जैसा ग्लो। लक्स अब कुछ कर ले SPF सूर्य 30 धूप से 97% तक बचाए, विटामिन सी से बनाए अंदर से। ये है नॉन-स्टिक with no white cast. New Glow and Lovely Bright UV Duo Sunscreen.
इस मोमेंट को अपना बनाओ, जिद में आओ।
क्या 20.5 आउट ऑफ देंगे?
यूरोपियन टेक्नोलॉजी से
मोमन मासा का
की नेचर लॉक टेक्नोलॉजी रही है। फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स फ्रेश पूरे 30 दिन तक, क्योंकि डॉक्टर
को पढ़ा है
रिलायबल है।
इस मोमेंट को अपना बनाओ, जिद में आओ।
मजबूत मारोगे। I use Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, Tea Tree, और Mint Oil से करें dandruff का software. Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo.
इस मोमेंट को अपना बनाओ, जिद में आओ।
Ocean X7, watch us move.
बराबर हो गए।
Bright ingredients, bright treatment, 100%. तो करें dandruff का software with Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Confidence 100%.
अब कुछ कर ले। Let's be cool. Style is Bright Women's Collection.
जा आउट हो जाए कोई। क्या?
बेफिक्री से खाना एंजॉय करो, एक्स्ट्रा कैलोरीज करो। Face. As expected, it's Shadab Khan coming in for his first
Shadab.
36 बॉल पे 43 स्कोर।
Yeah, his spell is going to be very crucial now. I know things are getting very tight for Pakistan for the qualifying, but he can turn it around. He needs wickets. A couple of wickets in one over. Just outside the off stump. Had enough time, Shanakar, to just tap it down to point for a single.
Yeah, Pakistan needs to bowl out of their skins. They've only got 26 runs to play with. Somebody really needs to get a few wickets, and soon.
Just the 4 fielders in the circle. Lanka's point of view, they're 91 away and required rating to 16s.
Well, I don't think they're thinking of that now, are they?
They should have always been thinking that, not 147, Bakar. Their target's always 213.
Sri Lanka have to go for it. They will not be happy just putting Pakistan out of the semi-finals. They have to go for this win.
That should never be a consideration. It's about what you can do and what you can achieve. They are falling way behind at the moment. That's a fish. It's swirling wide. It's gone over his head. That's another 6.
What a shot. What a brave shot. Moving toward offside. Targeting Shadab toward mid-wicket. The heart must have been in his mouth for a bit, but how good was that shot? He meant to hit 6. He scooped it up and he got the reward.
The Hoy, he's on 47. He's got one T20 50 previously.
What Howard does here really well is he's targeting the shorter boundary, not the pockets.
Catch that.
He's got enough. It's
It's another 6. It's a half century for Pavan Ratnayaka. That's his second. 15 balls. Sri Lanka.
ये पागल कितने
Pakistan's highest selling 7-seater SUV. Ocean X7. Watch us move.
Poland's Primoline No Frost Refrigerator range with a convertible zone. Switch temperatures from -50 degrees to 5
ये पता है
degrees with a full touch. Tolerance Primoline, designed for better.
हमने हारना
Marcus sending away 53-32, 78 required from 30. And for Pakistan, they've only got 12 runs to play with before their World Cup is done. Kumar Sangakkara is beside me, a proud Sri Lankan, whose team wants to win, Kumar.
Absolutely. You can see the intent right from the start. This partnership is crucial if they want to get close. Chasing a big total. Pakistan 212.
आउट कर दे समान के बच्चे
Brilliant half century. Shanaka, spin is not his strength, but he's a tremendous striker of the ball as well. This partnership could be the last throw of the dice for Sri Lanka to try and chase this down.
Comes in line, hasn't been Tariq's night. New Zealand celebrate, Sri Lanka celebrate. Pakistan, they know how close they are to this tournament being done. They're trying their best. That should be given when it's due. But what a shot from the skipper, Straight shot that he picked up beautifully all the way down.
Picked up the length really well. Good running between the wickets as well. Crucial once you have that boundary, yes, you want to hit more of them, either through the ropes or over them.
अब चले गया
Every other good ball has to go for runs as well.
सेमीफाइनल के लिए
Straight down the ground. Strikes it well. Reedy whips around.
68 runs
Tariq's got a wicket in T20 cricket in his last 26 matches tonight. Only got 3 balls left to keep that streak going.
And 2 runs or 3. The end of the dream for Pakistan. They set themselves up well to crucial wickets throughout the innings.
Brown getting behind the home side. Punched away through the offside. They come back for a couple.
बस हम हार गए
And it's 147 for 5 Sri Lanka now. One more run and then Pakistan is out of this World Cup. What a performance by the Sri Lanka. This partnership is 46 of 22. Take a single, Pakistan. Their World Cup is done. Nick Santner and his Kiwi boys in a hotel somewhere. They're probably slapping out high fives because they'll continue along into the semi-finals.
Yeah, disappointed Mike Hassan there in the dugout. Disappointed pacers on the field, dressed in green. Sri Lanka, they will focus trying to win this game.
Yeah, they need 65 of 25 deliveries. Got one more ball to go. It was expensive with Tariq. Struggled a bit. First time in this World Cup, conceded 41 runs already without any wicket. New Zealand have qualified. Congratulations, New Zealand. And now there's a game on. How the fans here would love to see their team out with a win. They hustle back. Big partnership required.
बेफिक्री से खाना एंजॉय करो, एक्स्ट्रा कैलोरीज करो.
Right ingredients, right treatment, 100%. तो करें Dandruff का soft fix with Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Confidence 100%. लजीजा रसमलाई घर में फौरन तैयार।
Brighter Women's Collection.
In a moment, Wazim, your thoughts on Pakistan and their tournament?
I think today they tried well, but I think they struggled against one of the teams, against England. I think we didn't score enough runs. That's the run rate going down. But over and all, congratulations to New Zealand. Pakistan showed some guts, and they weren't consistent enough in this tournament.